Hello, I have a Thrift, Temu, Dollar Tree haul, small. But first I'm going to show you this chair that we got. It's a Nelson knockoff with the wood base. And it's nice. It's the smoke one. I don't have smoke. I have you. Okay, I'm back. I have Mr. Victor here. There he is, and Mr. Retros.
Howdy.
And we went to the Goodwill, dollar store, and I have a little Temu thing. I think that's what I have, yeah. I got the chair at Goodwill. I don't know if I mentioned that. That's Temu. I just got another pair of pants delivered. They delivered my package at 11:30 at night. Fortunately, one of my neighbors was walking by with his dog and put it behind the screen door. We just left it on a porch. You know, we got it on the camera. It's that, they're having that, it's called U-N-I pack. Deliver some of these.
I don't know when they would have put it on the porch, though. I mean, you don't know.
He saw it? I don't know. I could probably look on the camera and see that, too.
I didn't see it.
Oh, I don't know. Sneaky. So, I don't know. We were in bed by that time, so they were safe and sound. These are just like kind of bobby pins, and I thought they might be kind of cool. And these were cheap. I got a whole bag for $1 something. These guys. Oops. There we go. These guys. And then, I hope I can open this. This is cable chase. Cable chase that you put your cables you want to hide. You know, I have a thing about cords.
Yeah.
I don't like any cords to show ever, if possible. So this is if you have to run one, like I have one from the DVD player going to the TV that's outside the wall. The other ones are on the other side of the wall. So I have this, and then I have some lights going to the art glass shelves that have this on the bar. So this is kind of nice. It's flexible. Mm-hmm. So I will just keep this in stock, and it's got adhesive stuff on the back. And you just open I think you can just open it up in the back. Yeah, it peels open, and then you can shove your cord in there. See, look at this. Yeah, and that's the size of the cord. So that's okay for just a cord. So that's my story. That's all I got from the Temu. And like I said, some pants, but they're just black pants. They're okay, though. I don't have to return them, thank goodness. So that's that. And then the dollar store. I got this for Labubu for his Easter tableau. He's got these ears he's going to wear. And then this is his basket. So it's Easter Labubu. Very festive. These are cute. They had them in purple and yellow and pink, I think. Inlay tree, Donna corner. And then these. What a score. I bought 4. I got 5 of them. $1.25 for these babies. Nice stuck. These are those Lazy Susans you put in your cupboards. These are awesome. You could put, I have spices in them. I have toiletries. I could also use these in my studio to put paint in them. I was thinking. So I got 5 of them. This $1.25, and the ones they have at Ross are a little bit taller, slightly taller, and they want $5. So this is a good deal. And these are awesome for organizing your stuff. You can even use them in the fridge. See, they show it with spices and whatnot. So thrilled to find those. Then at Goodwill, I got that chair, $8.99, 20 off. This is a good brand. Volume styling mousse for your hair. ABBA. That's a really good brand they sell in salons. So this was $2.99. Let's try. And it feels like it's full. So we'll try. One of us will try that. What else do I have? What's this? Oh, these look pretty good. This stainless steel cleaner. There's 2 of them in here. Spit and polish stainless. I'm going to give one to Baby Retros. Made in USA. Yeah. Yeah, it's in there. So we will give this a shot. I've been using, can't remember the name. It starts with a W. Wendell's, Whitmer or something. Whitmer, that I buy at Home Goods and Marshalls. It's a spray thing, and then there's a paste. But, I'm always open to new ones. So I got 2 of these. I thought that was cool. For $5.99. So it's $3 a piece. That's pretty good. So I'll give one of these to her. And these, I think I can use these on the table. Put little battery candles in them. I have a bigger one in the bedroom that I have a wax melter in. But these are little candle holders, but they're from Crate and Barrel. There's the tag. And this one was $4.99, that's $20. And they're black and gold. These are really pretty. It's funny, when you're in Goodwill, everything looks like yuck. Because it is really yuck in there. I'm sorry, it just is. But then you get it home and you go, oh, this is kind of nice. Our Goodwill is not nice.
Wow. Yeah, could be
I've seen worse, trust me.
Ballard.
Oh, the Ballard one I can't go to. Yeah, that's probably the worst one, I think, isn't it?
I don't. Their problem is they have their aisles are too skinny, and there's too many people.
Yeah,
in there.
and they're all the Ballard people. Ballardites. So no, I don't go to Ballard.
We found some good stuff.
Yeah, Fred Barb go there. Yeah. They find good stuff, so I leave it to them. But this was and then I got a bigger one. Let's see. A bigger one here. So I have a couple of these battery candle thingies. I'll put. I think they might look cool with this West Elm knockoff. Maybe, I'm not sure. I don't know. No, I think I might just want something glass. Yeah. I wish they would have had 3. That I don't see. It's Crate and Barrel on this big one. It's really pretty. And so this one was $7.99. So you think at Goodwill, ooh, $7.99. Gee, that's kind of pushy.
Yeah, that chair. Whoa.
Yeah, well, $8. I don't know. That's kind of pushing it. So. Yeah. It's because it's so icky in there. If it looked like Anthropology in there, you wouldn't blank.
Yeah, right.
And this is really cool. Mr. Retro's got this neat thing.
Yeah, it's old. I guess that's an organizer.
Dunlap.
Screws and stuff, but you could use it. Yeah.
Let me see. It's really neat looking. It's galvanized metal.
It's that cool crackle.
It's that really cool. It's not really it's more of a smooth crackle. Yeah. Maybe you can see it more on the back.
Victor.
It's really neat. I don't know what we're going to use it for, but it's really neat.
Yeah. You could put it anywhere.
Yeah. It'd be a nice little riser. See, there's already some screws in there.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. But I really like its looks. It's a kind of cool deco type handle, sort of an industrial look that's kind of nice. It's very attractive. How much was this? $7.99. Ooh, pricey. Richie Rich and his tool caddy. Fancy, Mr. Fancy Pants. But that's all I got. So it was pretty good. Oh, you got anything else, Mr. Retros?
No.
How about you, Victor? No, I'm leaving. Bye. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.